Welcome to Oilfield Network News and our first safety edition of 2026. Today, we're again featuring Artemis Production Solutions Incorporated, a company making newsworthy improvements in midstream oil and gas, safety, and environment. We were fortunate to sit down with their Chief Executive Officer, Mike Luna, to learn more about the innovations they're bringing to the industry which result in a safer workplace and a healthier environment. Mike brings a deep background in oilfield operations. Shown here is an overview of his extensive experience, which led him to President and CEO of Artemis Production Solutions. We started out asking Mike, how does the new Proteus system help the environment?
When pipelines are taken out of service, whether it be for maintenance, modifications, or repairs, our system allows those operators to safely remove, compress, and transfer natural gas rather than venting or flaring it. So our focus is on improving operational safety, reducing methane emissions that would otherwise be vented or flared, and very key to all end users, operators, it's delivering efficient execution on, in our case, specifically large diameter transmission assets. The differentiation isn't just capacity, it's the execution efficiency, defined safety margins, and methane emissions controlled at scale, at a large scale. So Phil, I think I could describe it as a common risk in traditional pipeline evacuation work or around pipelines is the amount of time and the number of people required in close proximity to live gas. Any number of incidents, fatal incidents could occur. Reliance on multiple platforms and manual intervention can certainly increase personnel on board. In the industry, we hear talks about POB, an extend task. Reliance on multiple, so that's having more than one unit versus our single platform, our Proteus single platform system. Extending more time, more people on board, that elevates the exposure and the safety risk. So Proteus helps mitigate that by consolidating evacuation into a single integrated system with fewer connection points, greater automation, and safety measures. All this allows the crews, the smaller crews, to work with fewer people in the field, reduce the manual handling, reduce the connection points, and overall a shorter exposure window. Everything helping, contributing to mitigating and reducing the safety risk. We're taking a very disciplined approach, and just really solid on executing. Safety is top priority with us, as we mentioned, described here a moment ago. So we're excited to see what comes next, and being out there and getting some additional real data. And we're leveraging that same foundation, that robust foundation of our industry, and just really happy to be able to contribute to our industry, make it safer, more reliable, more economical. Check all the boxes. So.
Our thanks again to Mike Luna for giving us an inside look at the improved safety thanks to their new system, and also the benefits to our environment. Artemis Proteus system helps eliminate methane and flaring in removing gas from long runs of large diameter pipes, reducing crew size helps minimize personnel exposure risk, and better monitoring systems provide intelligent feedback, including safety system controls. Compact design helps reduce environmental footprint and reduces travel risk with a single trailer system. This is one of the great examples of safety improvement through experience, customer input, and technology improvements. To learn more, visit their website at artemispsi.com. If you have a story to tell about eliminating repeat accidents, new technology, or networking for new career opportunities, be sure to contact us. As always, keep innovating, keep networking, stay safe, and always look for ways to help others in our oil and gas industry.